starting off this DIY video with a Dollar Tree hula hoop. I took it out and I spray painted it gold. Another item I'll be using from the Dollar Tree will be these plates. They come 8 in a pack and they already have a little bit of gold going on around it. It's not really visible from afar, but this is what it looks like. The idea here is to make sure that I have all the plates go around the hoop. At this point, I decided to just add an extra shape, which will be these Dollar Tree bowls. And this is going to make this whole design not look too flat. So the bowls are going to be in between the plates. I was going to drill through in the middle to make holes in the plates, but they kept on cracking. Maybe I was using the wrong drill bit, but then I decided the easiest way to go about this would be to use a soldering iron. I made just one hole in the middle of all the plates, but with the bowls, I made 2 holes just so that they can stay in place and they can lean flat on the hoop. I'm going to be having the lighting inside the Dollar Tree bowls. So I'm going to be attaching the lighting inside the bowls in such a way that I can use my hand to bring it out and take it back in easily. Now I'm going to be cutting out pieces from a table mat that's going to be covering the lighting that's going to show through the transparent bowls. I'm going to be adding mirrors to the design. What I've just made now is going to be glued to the bowls. To continue in the same pattern, I decided to go ahead to cut the size of the plates to add them to the design. Now these plates in particular are not going to be having lighting on them. I decided to just add this so that it will go with the small cutout pieces that are on the bowls. I already had one of the plates attached, so I'm going to be adding the cutout piece to the plate that's already on the hoop. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the other pieces, and I'm going to be putting one plate and a bowl besides it, and then another plate and another bowl besides it, and I'm going to be doing that all around till I get to the end. So far so good. This is what we have. And with the lights on, it's so pretty. But then I figured that the bowls could also have plates behind them. And then the small cutout pieces that are on the bowl will be removed and put in front of the plates because the plates are going to be glued to the bowl. So I will be gluing on the little cutout pieces to the plates that will cover the bowl. Here I'm just using hot glue to attach the plates to the bowls, but I would strongly suggest to use a strong adhesive with the hot glue. I have screw heads that are showing here, so I'm going to be covering them up with gems. I'm going to have my lighting suspended on the ceiling with dowels. And these wooden dowels are going to be covered with silver tape. I'll be adding cup hooks at the top and at the bottom of the dowel. I'll be using 3 for the lighting. Now I'm also going to be using cup hook in the ceiling that's going to hold the dowels and the hoop. This lighting can be mounted in the middle of a room or at a corner like I did. Changing the batteries will not be a problem at all because the bowl has a little bit of space between it and the hoop, which is enough room for you to put your hands in, twist it, bring it out, change the batteries, and put it right back in. The push lights are remote controlled to make it easy to turn the lights on and off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.